Welcome back to the channel, guys. It feels so good to be saying that again. It's been well over a year and we have a lot to cover, and I'm going to try to get to all of it in this video, but we're going to try to keep it short. Oh, and by the way, we will be installing mods later in this video, so stay tuned. But before we even get into that, guys, there's a surprise I really have to show you, and I know you're going to love it. I'm super stoked, so let's just get straight into that. As you can see, guys, I've done quite a bit of mods since the last video. Painted her blue too. In all seriousness though, guys, I have made quite the purchase here. It is a Mustang GT Premium with the performance package. Given that this is a Mustang GT Premium, it comes with nice leather seats with the grabber blue stitching, which matches perfectly with the Velocity blue in my opinion. AC and cooled seats controlled here. It's an automatic transmission. Now, I understand the manuals. You gotta have a manual if you're having a muscle car, but hear me out. The 10 speeds, there's just something about them, guys. They're too fast, okay? I couldn't pass up the opportunity. But moving along, okay? We're not gonna talk about that any longer. We've got the digital dash here. It's beautiful. Comes with a bunch of ambient lighting. You got some ambient lighting in the door handles. You got ambient lighting down by your feet. Don't show my feet. And then you got ambient lighting down here in the cup holder. Very, very nice. Kind of hard to see during the day, but that's okay. We got the nice Sync 3 system here, touchscreen radio. With the Sync system, guys, sorry, I'm just blocking out where I am. You get access to a whole lot of different things. You got your navigation, your radio, you got your climate controls on here, set up your phone, everything, apps, settings. All you need to do right here in this touchscreen, very nice. With the performance package, you do get these gauge, oil pressure, and vacuum. Looks very nice. Some of you guys might be wondering what comes with the performance package. You do get a bigger front splitter, some 19-inch black aluminum wheels, a very nice rear spoiler. But besides the visual appearances, you do get a bigger radiator, better suspension tuning, and 355 gears in the rear end. And on top of all that, my car is equipped with MagneRide suspension, and it adjusts with every different drive mode you select. Alright, you guys, so moving on to the thumbnail in the video, I said I'd touch base about everything that's happened since the last video. So in the last video, you may have heard me say that I was going to be starting on the body kit again on the 01 Mustang GT with my buddy. About 2 weeks after I posted that video, he actually passed away in a motorcycle accident. So it was a little bit of a tragic time, and I kind of just stopped working on my car in general. And then about 4 months after that, I hit a raccoon, which I will show you a clip of right now. Raccoon decided to jump out in front of my car. And, well, it wasn't fast enough to get out of the way, so this happened. So, yeah, that happened. That wasn't very fun. I was kind of laughing and also just like, you know, hating myself at the same time. Basically what happened is a raccoon ran out in the middle of the road and on my way to work, and it just stopped in the middle of the road. It was like picking at something, and so I started to slow down. And no joke, like when I got to 30 feet away from it, it decided it wanted to cross lanes right in front of me again. I slammed on the brakes. The brakes weren't the greatest, and they didn't stop me fast enough, so I kind of hit the raccoon. Unfortunately, he did pass away, and then my car, front bumper that I spent so much time on, basically broke in half. But it was kind of funny at the same time because it's kind of my fault. You know, I always wanted to get it done, and I took so much time off, and I didn't really have an excuse for it. But yeah, that happened, and I ended up throwing on the original bumper, and we kind of moved past it, and then I really stopped making videos for the car. Later on, I decided I wanted a new Mustang, and I've been thinking about this for the past like 3 years now. And I actually had the opportunity to buy one. This is a 2021 Mustang. It's honestly like a dream car of mine, so this is kind of supernatural. I do still have the old car. It's just kind of chilling at my work at the moment. And obviously we're going to be doing some videos on this car. If you guys do want to see the old car, I can make a short video on it. Low-key, I kind of do want to just save it and maybe put it in my garage for like years down the road as a little project car. If I have the time to be able to do that. If that's something you guys would like to see, please let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, that pretty much sums up this whole 1.5-year time gap that we have on this channel now. Just thank you guys for everything. So if you are new, please subscribe now. And without further ado, let's get into the mods that we're actually going to be installing on this car in this video. I actually did lie though. I did do one thing to the car, and I put black 5.0 badges on it, which I will be doing to the front and rear as well. But I didn't record it. I'm sorry. But moving along with that, we are going to be installing quarter window louvers today. Woohoo! And we're going to be installing taillight tints. Very basic mods, very easy to do. Probably about 30 minutes install. No joke. Super easy. So let's just get right into it. All right, you guys, this is actually a couple days later, but I love these mods, dude, and they're held on like glue. It's not coming off, and I think they look really good. So that pretty much ends it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the performance mods that we did to the car. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. We will be doing some performance mods here in the future, guys, so stay tuned. If you are new, subscribe now, please. It helps out a lot. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and just join the family, man. Join on in this adventure that we're going to be having with this car and maybe even the other car and just my life in general. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. Happy 4th of July. Peace out.